Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Figma design responsive. We'll dive into the fundamental principles that allow your designs to look great on any screen, from a large desktop monitor to a small mobile phone. Mastering responsiveness means your users will always have an excellent experience, no matter their device. We'll cover key tools and techniques to help you build flexible and scalable interfaces with confidence. Auto layout is a powerful feature that makes your designs incredibly flexible. It allows elements within a frame to automatically adjust their position and spacing when the frame or its contents change. Think of it as a smart container that keeps everything organized. By applying auto layout, you can easily create components that adapt to different text lengths or screen widths, saving you significant time and effort in maintaining consistent layouts. Understanding constraints and resizing options is crucial for true responsiveness. Constraints dictate how an object moves or scales relative to its parent frame. You can pin elements to the top and left or have them scale proportionally. Additionally, hug contents makes a frame fit its children, while fill container makes a child element expand to fill its parent. These options give you granular control over how your design adapts across different breakpoints. To ensure your responsive designs are robust, always follow best practices. Begin with a mobile-first mindset, designing for the smallest screen first, then scaling up. This often simplifies the design process. Regularly test your layouts on different device sizes and orientations to catch any unexpected behaviors. Keep your Figma file organized with clear naming conventions and well-structured components. This approach will lead to more maintainable and effective responsive designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.